Uline Oven Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Uline oven repair, Uline wall oven repair, Uline double oven repair, Uline gas oven repair, Uline electric oven repair, along with all other Uline oven models. If your Uline oven won't heat, or if your oven element needs replaced, or if your oven has broiler problems, your oven has temperature problems, the oven light is out, the oven won't turn on, the oven has a self-cleaning problem, the oven won't turn off, the oven door needs repaired, or the oven fan keeps running. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.